In front of me is Emporia SMART Mark Point 5, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and tapping on it. If you never used it before, select Allow and then click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To end it and save it though, click on the left one. Then name your recording however you want to and hit OK. To access list of all your recordings, you need to switch off recording and tap on this right button with 3 lines. To play one of them, click on it. And to delete it, hit Edit at the top right corner. Tap on one of your recordings that you wish to get rid of and hit Delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!